take one.
Hi chaps, it's Kim Ralston from Roaming Technologies here. I thought the easiest way to explain what we're doing with the transformation from the GoBook to the Panasonic Toughbooks will be just to make a brief movie showing you the bits and pieces and the changes that need to happen. As you probably all know, they've gone to the Panasonic Toughbook as opposed to the GoBook as the new device for all of the guys in the field. Great little machine, a little bit smaller, has the ability to fold back down as a tablet, lock that back down, very nice touchscreen, all the same sort of stuff, but just a little bit tougher. Now, part of this, what we'll need to do is we'll need to change over the docks in the vehicles. So the dock that we're going to use for this is a Havis Toughbook dock. Nice lightweight aluminium device, has the ability to lock if you want to put the key in, but you don't need to put the key in to open and close it. Very simple operation, drop the Toughbook in there and just snip it over to close, a lot less fiddly than we're used to with the GoBooks. The power supply is built in at the bottom here. The power supply will come with a normal cigarette lighter adapter. I believe they're like a dual wire rather than a coax. So the idea would be just to snip that off where we've got the when we've got it in position, and then we'll supply some little auto connectors, so you can just put the two connectors on there and then use the existing power cable that's coming out of the battery circuit and put connectors on there, so it'll solve any save any soldering. The main difference is that all of the ports are actually at the top of the dock rather than the bottom of the dock. So it's a lot easier to get them in there. The only problem that we may have is that we may have a few of the cables coming up short. Primarily the screen blanking cable may come up a little bit short if we've cut that to suit the bottom fitting. So what we'll do, we'll supply a cache of parts to all the branches, which will have some of the screen blanking cables, some of the monitor cables, and some other connectors and bits and pieces that we think you might need. The only main difference is the Toughbook has an internal GPS and a pass-through into the dock. So what we need to do is we need to use an external GPS antenna. These will be supplied as part of the kits, and they've got a 5-meter cable. They're designed to fit on the base of the next-G antenna that's sitting on the bull bar. So you basically unscrew the flexible part of the thing, of the antenna, push that in, and then just position that probably sideways to be the safest fit. Feed that back through. You've got the B and C connector on it, so it goes straight into the number 2 connector there. Number 1 will be for the HSDPA antenna. We're going to give you some adapters as well. These adapters, so you've got just screw in the SMA adapter that you've currently got on the GoBook RF pass-through. So that's an adapter for that. Now what we've tried to do is make it as easy as possible. We're going to use all the existing brackets that are in all the Fords, the upright one that's in the back of the Patrols, and the other bits and pieces. So what we've done, we've made a very generic adapter plate. You'll all get these, and we've got a couple of different drill hole patterns for the different devices. So basically this back bracket gets removed, 4 screws at the side. That then screws on to the back using some hardware that we'll supply, and once that's on the back, that'll just position up into the existing holes on the GoBook dock. So we just tighten all that up, and we're good to go. That's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. What we're going to do, we've got a couple of people going to come around to all of the branches when it's been, when it's the GoBooks are ready to go. They'll do most of the vehicles that are available. Any of the vehicles that are out on a job or just can't make it, then that'll be up to you to use the kits and just do the transformation, hopefully before the shut-off time at the end of August. That's pretty much it. I think you've all got my number. Any questions, please give me a call. Thank you.